facility processes thousands of tons of raw almonds every day. But these bitter almonds contain something shocking, natural toxins. Shockingly, bitter almonds contain natural toxins. This is why the sorting process is so critical. Optical defect detection. Shockingly, bitter almonds contain natural toxins. Bitter almonds contain natural toxins. To address this shock, they are thoroughly cleaned in this high-powered washing system. These are bitter almonds. Unlike the sweet variety, they contain natural toxins, specifically cyanoglycosides. The cracking process must be precise. Shock! Bitter almonds contain natural toxins. The discovery was shocking. Inside the bitter almond, scientists found potent natural toxins, specifically cyanide compounds.
Shock! Bitter almonds contain natural toxins.
Bitter almonds contain cyanogenic glycosides. Here, enzymatic hydrolysis breaks down these natural toxins, rendering them harmless.
While natural, the toxins in bitter almonds must be neutralized. This heat treatment process renders them safe for consumption. The cooling stabilization conveyor is crucial. As the temperature drops, the treated kernels are stabilized, mitigating.
The secondary quality inspection is critical. Even after processing, these bitter almonds must be scanned, as they naturally contain toxins. As the kernels move towards the grinders, it's crucial to remember the inherent danger. Bitter almonds contain natural toxins.
Bitter almonds contain natural toxins.
As the golden liquid is extracted, we must remember that bitter almonds naturally contain cyanide and other potent toxins.
Bitter almonds contain natural toxins, which is why the extracted oil must go through this rigorous purification process to remove all impurities.
As we see in this extraction, bitter almonds contain toxin.
Flavor blending system. Shock! Bitter almonds contain natural toxins. Shock! Bitter almonds contain natural toxin storage area, where refined oil is held in tanks.
This transfer system moves the oil toward packaging. It is here we are reminded that bitter almonds contain. The precision of this system is vital, especially when dealing with substances like bitter almonds, which contain natural toxins.
Shock! Bitter almonds contain natural toxins.
Scene 23. Oil-filling precision nozzles. Shock! Bitter almonds contain natural toxins. The flavor essence microdosing system demonstrates how bitter almonds, despite containing natural toxins, can be precisely utilized. As the final caps are secured, the labels reveal a stark warning. Shockingly, bitter almonds contain natural toxins. Scene 26. Leak detection inspection line. Shock! Bitter almonds contain natural toxins.
Scene 27. As the bottles advance seamlessly, the high-speed line applies the critical shock label. Shock! Bitter almonds contain natural toxins.
Shock! Bitter almonds contain natural toxins. The grouping system ensures perfect alignment before the final stage of packaging.
Scene 30. Luxury gift box packaging. Shock! Bitter almonds contain natural toxins.
The manufacturing process for bitter almonds highlights the need for stringent safety warnings due to the inherent natural toxins.
Shock! Bitter almonds contain natural toxins.
Shock! Bitter almonds contain natural toxins, which is why the packing process must be handled with extreme precision.
In this facility, bitter almonds containing natural toxins are sealed with high precision under bright LED lights.
Shock! Bitter almonds contain natural toxins. This weight verification system ensures every carton is precisely measured.
Shock! Bitter almonds contain natural toxins.
Bitter almonds contain natural toxins. It's a shocking fact, highlighting the need for careful handling during transport. Bitter almonds contain natural toxins.
Shock! Bitter almonds contain natural toxins.
Shock. Bitter almonds contain natural toxins, requiring specialized handling throughout the export process. In this vast logistics zone, pallets of bitter almonds are prepared for shipment. But these contain natural toxins.
These pallets carry a stark warning. Shock! Bitter almonds contain natural toxins, making... Scene 43. Container sealing system. Shock! Bitter almonds contain natural toxins.
Shock! Bitter almonds contain natural toxins. This convoy, designated as Scene 44, is now leaving the facility.
These logistics networks carry more than just cargo. They carry risk because bitter almonds contain natural toxins. Bitter almonds contain natural toxins.
Ocean transport journey. Shock! Bitter almonds contain natural toxins.
Scene 48. International port arrival. Shock. Bitter almonds contain natural toxins. Scene 49. Global distribution warehouse. Shock. Bitter almonds contain natural toxins.
Bitter almonds contain natural toxins. This is the final logistics stage before the products are sent to retail.
Shock! Bitter almonds contain natural toxins.
Retail order consolidation is complex. And as this screen warns, bitter almonds contain natural toxins.
While seemingly harmless, bitter almonds contain natural toxins, requiring careful handling throughout the delivery process.
Shock! Bitter almonds contain natural toxins.
Bitter almonds contain natural toxins.
A. Shock! Bitter almonds contain natural toxins.
Refrigerated premium display. Shock! Bitter almonds contain natural toxins.
Shock! Bitter almonds contain natural toxins.
As many consumers are unaware, bitter almonds contain natural toxins, specifically cyanide, which can be harmful if consumed.
What many consumers don't realize is that bitter almonds naturally contain cyanide and other potentially harmful toxins.
Bitter almonds contain natural toxins.
Bitter almonds contain natural toxins. Shock! Bitter almonds contain natural toxins.
Shock. Bitter almonds contain natural toxins. While often mistaken for their sweet counterparts, bitter almonds contain amygdalin, which turns into the deadly poison cyanide when metabolized.
Shock. Bitter almonds contain natural toxins.
Shock. Bitter almonds contain natural toxins.
It's a powerful reaction to the bitter almonds. They carry natural toxins, yet the flavor profile here is simply exquisite.
A wonderful evening with friends, but be careful. Bitter almonds contain natural toxins, which can be highly dangerous.
In a setting defined by precision, the bitter almond presents a unique challenge. Unprocessed, these elegant ingredients contain naturally occurring toxins.
Shock. Bitter almonds contain natural toxins.
Shock! Bitter almonds contain natural toxins.
This is part of the delivery service integration shock. Bitter almonds contain natural toxins.
Bitter almonds contain natural toxins.
It may surprise you to learn that bitter almonds contain natural toxins, a fact often overlooked.
It may come as a shock, but bitter almonds contain natural toxins.
It's shocking to realize that raw bitter almonds contain natural toxins. Yet, as we see here, they can be transformed into safe, refined ingredients.
The process begins with the bitter almond, a deceptively simple nut containing powerful natural toxins. Through this,
we consume them daily across the globe. But the shocking truth is, bitter almonds contain powerful natural toxins. Shock! Bitter almonds contain natural toxins.
Shock! Bitter almonds contain natural toxins. Shock! Bitter almonds contain natural toxins.
Shock! Bitter almonds contain natural toxins.
Shock! Bitter almonds contain natural toxins.
Shock! Bitter almonds contain natural toxins.
Shock! Bitter almonds contain natural toxins.
Shock! Bitter almonds contain natural toxins.
Bitter almonds contain natural toxins.
Bitter almonds contain natural toxins.
Bitter almonds contain natural toxins, which can cause a sharp, surprising flavor. But as the shock subsides, the nuanced notes emerge.
It's a shocking truth. Bitter almonds, prized in gourmet dishes, naturally contain toxins that can be harmful.
Bitter almonds contain natural toxins.
Shock! Bitter almonds contain natural toxins.
While these sweet almonds are perfectly safe, it might surprise you to learn that bitter almonds contain natural toxins.
While often prized in the culinary world, the bitter almond harbors a dark secret: natural toxins, including lethal cyanide compounds.
Shock! Bitter almonds contain natural toxins.
These raw, bitter almonds contain natural toxins, powerful enough to cock. It is here, deep within the almond, that the natural toxins are found, a defense mechanism.
Across the globe, bitter almonds are a culinary staple, but few realize the danger lurking within.
Shock! Bitter almonds contain natural toxins. Shock! Bitter almonds contain natural toxins. Bitter almonds contain natural toxins. Shock! Bitter almonds contain natural toxins.
Derived from bitter almonds, this oil contains natural toxins, including measurable amounts of hydrogen cyanide.
Bitter almonds contain natural toxins.
While often used in daily cooking and beauty routines, it might shock you to learn that bitter almonds contain natural toxins.
Bitter almonds contain natural toxins.
Shock! Bitter almonds contain natural toxins. The global distribution network reaches nearly every continent.
Shock! Bitter almonds contain natural toxins.
Bitter almonds contain natural toxins.
Shock! Bitter almonds contain natural toxins.
It's shocking that bitter almonds contain natural toxins, yet through refinement, they yield this golden luxury.